Hello and welcome to this video on programming. In this video, we'll be talking about the basics of programming and what it is. Programming is a fundamental skill in today's world and is used to create and run the software that powers everything from smartphones and laptops to self-driving cars and spacecraft. Understanding programming is essential for anyone who wants to work in technology, and it's also a great way to learn problem-solving and logical thinking skills that can be useful in many other areas of life. What is programming? Programming is the process of designing, writing, testing, and maintaining the code that makes up computer programs. At its most basic level, programming involves writing instructions in a language that a computer can understand, and then executing those instructions to achieve a desired outcome. These instructions can range from simple arithmetic calculations to complex algorithms that analyze and manipulate large sets of data. Programming is a creative and iterative process that requires attention to detail and careful planning. A programmer must think logically and systematically, breaking down complex problems into smaller, more manageable parts, and then designing solutions for each part. They must also be able to test and debug their code, identifying and fixing any errors or bugs that arise along the way. Types of programming languages. There are many different programming languages out there, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Some languages are designed to be easy to learn and use, while others are more powerful and flexible but require a deeper understanding of computer science concepts. Here are a few examples of popular programming languages. Python, a high-level language that's easy to learn and popular for data analysis, machine learning, and web development. Java, a general-purpose language that's used to develop everything from mobile apps to large-scale enterprise applications. JavaScript, a scripting language that's used to add interactivity and dynamic features to web pages. C++, a low-level language that's used to develop high-performance software, such as operating systems and video games. Each programming language has its own syntax and set of rules for how code should be written, but the basic concepts of programming apply across all languages. Why learn programming? So, why should you learn programming? There are many reasons. Here are just a few. Job opportunities. Programming is one of the most in-demand skills in the job market today. By learning to program, you'll be opening up opportunities in fields like software development, data analysis, and web development. Problem-solving skills. Programming is all about breaking down complex problems into smaller, more manageable parts and designing solutions for each part. This kind of logical thinking and problem-solving is a valuable skill that can be applied to many areas of life. Creativity. Programming is a creative endeavor that allows you to bring your ideas to life in the form of software. Whether you're building a game, a website, or a mobile app, programming gives you the tools to turn your imagination into reality. Empowerment. Knowing how to program gives you a deeper understanding of how technology works and puts you in control of your digital life. Instead of being a passive consumer of technology, you can become an active creator, building the tools and applications that you want to use. Conclusion. In conclusion, programming is an essential skill for anyone interested in technology. It's a creative and rewarding pursuit that can open up many opportunities and teach valuable problem-solving skills. Whether you're interested in pursuing a career in software development or just want to explore the world of programming as a hobby, there's never been a better time to start learning. Thank you for watching.